Come on.
Let's go!
Go. Rush that.
Let's go!
SEAL Team 6, move out.
Let's go! Right here! No, damn it! I missed my one Nova shot. What? Alright, I guess my balls are going. I gotta adjust my balls here.
All good, all good.
Hold it.
He's
coming.
coming out. He's adjusting his scope. Oh, he died. He died.
Wait,
Nice one, Luke.
Such bad
Nice
timing.
one, Luke. Kill yourself.
I saw his gun, bro. That's actually my bad. I sold you.
Fuck, I'm gonna mute this Luke guy. Yo, he's so
Bro, my bad. One bad calm.
He shouldn't be MVP. He fucking sold hard, dude.
I'm sorry, Drayden. You want me to buy you the gun? What do you want?
No, I'm going in teasy.
Drayden, I'm sorry, okay? I'm still sorry about what happened.
Fuck up and I'll tease you, man. Look at this fucking thing.
Okay, I just want you to hold tab, alright? Just know who you're talking to.
Fuck up, man. Your comms. are here. The teaser is here.
For fuck's sakes.
One is here. One is here.
Coming B. Through tunnel. Coming mid.
Holy shit.
Welcome to Face Club! Welcome to Face Club!
Shit, welcome to GT.
Shit, Phase X GT. What the fuck, yo? Actually, what the fuck?
There's one B. At least that's what I said. I think he's just waiting. So it's just three, I guess. Three things
There-
at the
there-
same time.
Did you die on B team or Drayden?
He just point all of them down.
Let him ace.
Thanks to my that killed the fucking last precinct.
Yeah, I should have fucking shot you, dude. The lawnmower's coming.
Now, how in the fuck did they do that?
The pretty fucking cool name, yo, the lawnmower.
Wide swing it. Fuck it, Drayden. Wide swing it.
You're right. Oh, there's two here.
He's long. He's long.
Lawnmower's closing in.
I think so. Or no, last
Yeah,
round.
they hate that little LMG. Yeah, did you see that?
Yeah.
Drayden, why don't you unit up an ace? What?
Huh?
Why don't you unit up an ace?
How come you said what that?
Fuck it. Yeah.
Don't feel like it. But why'd you say what here?
Because I didn't even know what I said. One mid.
He's down, Tango down. Oh, no, holy shit, let's try.
Fuck, bro. I could have done that.
Oh, if I was there with you, you would have took the world over. You would have
Where'd
let
you
the
go?
world burn. Oh, shit. Pa pa pa! Pa pa pa! What's up, nigga? What you doing?
Same play. No one's here. Oh, I looked directly at the flashbang here. What is that? Now we just hold this with fucking purpose. I'll watch long chase, guys. Just in case. Imagine the cat. Just. Oh shit! He can just hold that thing, dude. So we're just
In that
firing.
corner.
We go
Exactly in
in.
that corner.
They're gonna go high, bro. Fuck. He's on the right. You could
doing?
rotate, slow walk, rotate.
Okay, I think we could rush in here now. Is there, how much
we're
guns do
probably
they have?
still
What kind of gun? Is this fucking long range?
Moss? Yep. W for Moss.
Who's going to bed?
Yeah, Jericho.
Go on, who's going to bed?
Bro. I feel it coming. This is bad.
I feel it coming. Yeah, I sound like him, bro. That might be the.
Grab the bomb.
Taking out the king.
Shit, I didn't. Oh, what the fuck, yo? Fuck! Like, he's dodging. Welcome to FaZe Clan.
do I activate free cam?
If we just play different sites, we can win this. We just play slow. Okay, you guys don't fucking listen.
Fuck you, man.
Holy
Fuck
shit.
Arms, man.
Listen, I've played these games before. I know how to
This
fucking win,
flash.
alright?
Holy fuck, he's dead, yo.
I missed that fucking jump. How did I not hit that guy,
2A.
bro?
Oh.
Fuck 3A.
Phoenix, what percent to your CS?
Done.
Molly, yeah.
They got that lockdown. Watch, 20 bucks.
Fucking knife. Okay, man, you're not getting your 20 bucks. Get out of there.
Take mid now.
That guy's playing
Yo, how
hide
long
and
can I
seek
hide?
with the-
Ah, shit!
Whole fucking badass. Ah, fuck. Leave me
Fuck, I gotta reload!
Oh, fuck. Holy, you overheated. Holy shit.
Oh.
Nova, long range.
Stairs. Stairs dead. Palace dropped.
That,
Oh. Yo, nice one,
Good
Jared.
fucking shot him.
Palace dead. Mid. Stairs.
Got 7 bullets. You can do it though. You got 6.
You're a racist?
You know what? Just I love Greece. I love cars. you
Yeah,
know?
it makes you a racist.
Yeah, I'm a big racist.
Yep.
Oh, he's so funny.
Who the hell?
Oh,
Who was
that's
that?
not going in the video, Phoenix.
Oh, forgot.
So come on, we're doing so good.
I'm sorry. I completely forgot that you do that type of thing.
This map is not is part of that. Oh, okay. Do Inferno and Nuke. Yo, what the hell?
I can't even do it.
What the fuck is this crosshair?
Nova, bang!
Don't be a guy there. Ah!
They're so synced up, dude.
Fuck! I
Oh, okay.
shoot my fucking gun!
No, it's straight. It's straight.
Why is it like kind of transparent?
Those crosshairs, so bro.
Do you hit all the heads with this one, Drayden?
Jeez, bro.
Okay.
So big, man.
Okay, Jordan, lock in, man.
Yeah, man. I need a team, bro.
Okay, I think you guys are being too hard on Drayden. He's doing his best.
Drayden sucks balls, bro.
Okay, bro. 2 and 5. Okay, next star.
Badass.
Oh my fucking
Get him ahead.
Push! Let's go!
In spawn with an arm.
Plan!
We lost one, boys.
Don't do that! How?
Take this, and I fucking jump down through the. I had to reload. Never mind.
Go help Jarek. Go help Luke, Jarek.
Then I fucking bang.
Oh, Oh, the car died. The guy died. Damn.
Last time.
Plant.
Oh, I faked myself out.
Hold long for this kid. And this guy will hold your
Yep.
Oh!
Okay.
cat.
Where
cat,
was he? Oh,
cat.
fuck!
Jack. Jack.
I'll try to get there.
Jack.
Ooh.
Wait, jump. The
He
bomb.
was camping ramp.
What the fuck? He's on the barrel.
Exploding. He has powies.
I don't know. Unknown.
He has
Last two one
powies.
shot though.
It's okay. He has 3.
Holy smoke.
Flashing.
Yeah, we throw like a bomb in there.
It's okay.
Move.
Let me out! Why the fuck can't I get out? You fucking
Okay,
bastard!
Phoenix, let's see something.
I hit the kill. Fucking
Oh shit!
fucking yellow. Fuck you. Fucking bastard. Oh my god. Fucking.
Yo.
No way, bro.
In our spawn. Last one in our spawn. I'm gonna stick to the fuse.
Drop down on him.
Oh my god.
Nice. Good job.
Holy fuck.
Do it.
What the fuck, yo?
What the fuck, yo?
Yo, chill the fuck out.
No, you're fucking dead, yo.
Come on.
Oh, wait, Jake, I'll
Do
take
it.
the bullet. I'll
Look.
take the bullet, Jake. Do it.
No, bro. I needed you guys.
Ah! I got one. Hell yeah.
Oh, we lost.